Alright, hello guys and welcome back to part 3 of this video. We're still doing text to button, so let's get back into it. So we need to now do text rectangle dot center equals, I want to put a space there to keep it tidy. Then we want to do double parentheses button plus button width slash 2 button y plus button height slash 2. So that's getting the button height plus the button width. Oh, sorry, wait. What? Oh, it's getting the button and it's positioning the words at halfway in the middle. Wait. No, sorry, that's button X. Yeah, that's the X position of the button, so it's getting the text and putting it on the button and then centering it halfway in the middle. Yep. Alright. Game display dot blit text surf. Yeah. Okay, and then we go text rectangle, and that's that. Why is okay? Because we did capitals for the X and the Y of those. All right. All right. Now we need to do message to screen. Is it? No. Let's run it and see what happens. Okay, nothing's happening. Why is nothing happening? 1 second. Alright, so I worked out why it's not going white. It's because we had this indented here in the 4. So this is supposed to be while the whole thing's true. It should be running as white. Maybe not. What have I done? 1 second, again. Sorry, no. It's supposed to be all of this inside the for loop. And then it runs as white. There you go. So we got this now. And it obviously breaks because there is no select yet. So that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to define a new function called select. And this is going to be choice equals random dot randint between 1 and 2. So that's going to get a number between 1 and 2 every time. So if choice is equal to 1 and if choice is equal to 2. Right, so for this first one we're going to go arrow. Wait, how did I define the video as? Okay, yeah, arrow. So arrow trans, so that's arrow transformation equal arrow, because it's not going to be, that's obviously going to be pointing right, and arrow underscore trans equals pygame, pygame, jeez, my typing is terrible, transform dot rotate arrow 180. So that's going to flip, so it's going to get the image like that and go whoosh, so that it's not pointing right, it's now pointing left, but we're using the same image so we don't have to load in 2. So now we're going to go down here, and we're going to go game display dot fill. Also something I didn't, I'll go into it later. Okay, so white. So that's going to fill the background with white, so the words aren't there again. Game dot display dot blit arrow underscore trans. Then we go this one's going to be 300 minus 115.5 because it's 300 and the width, half the width of the image. So you can see up here the image is 231 by 218, so you had to divide those by 2, and that's the number you get for the first one. Then for the second one you go 300 minus 109. I'll go into depth a bit more about them later in the video. So that's going to get the middle of it. Now we go pygame.display.update. This is going to stop it from running multiple times. Time.sleep 3. Alright. We can also go clock.tick FPS. Alright, now run it. And the click is, oh there we go. Is that gonna, right, so you sort of have it working now. I'm not quite sure why, it's this, here we go, there you go. So it wasn't updating the fill, there you go. So now it's working and you can see it's selecting right, left, right, left. Right, okay, so that works. Now, just going back into a bit of it, so you're getting down to here, again, it's finishing that, and then it's going back up to main menu because you're calling a false in here to stop it. So it's going back up to main menu after it's finished this. And yeah, that's pretty much all that they spent $336,000 on, developing an app that I made in 71 lines of code in under 30 minutes of video. A big waste of money, in my opinion, but they're welcome to spend their money how they want, I suppose. But yeah, this was just kind of prove how much they could have saved by not paying that much or doing something so basic for so much money. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the videos, give them a like. If you want to see more videos, obviously go over to my channel and check them out. If you want to see future videos, subscribe. And yeah, see you.